100% sure that Ava was a cat in her former life. Who falls asleep like this but cats? Ava, wake up. Hi, let's get dressed. Let's start the day, meows. Well, we are off to church. I didn't do much vlogging this morning because I had to do a vlog for my main channel that was very, very stressful. It's basically going to be on the La Ava's Mom channel, and I'll have the link below, but it's a 30-day challenge. Basically, all the information to be about it, but it was very stressful because I had to talk about my cousin and like his death some more and things like that. So it was very emotionally draining is the word I'm looking for. So today I am so happy that I chose today to do it, knowing that we had church this evening, because if I don't need anything right now, I need some church. About everything there is about me. But secondly, Pastor Baldwin, but secondly, Jesus will cleanse you when you come to him with a contrite heart. But this man not only knew the importance of getting to you, they've been beaten, robbed of their clothes, stripped of all humanity, but yet they can't shut him up. Oh, but as long as you know who God is, as long as you know how to get a prayer through, God will be right there to work it out. Dad after church, and we are just leaving Wawa's to get something to eat because it's late. It's like 10 o'clock and church got out at 9. The kids got a little fussy towards the end, but I was by myself, so I didn't really have a tag team partner with me, but really came and showed love to Pastor because this is Pastor's 30th year anniversary. So we are going to go home.
Wait a minute, we forgot to go on breakfast.
And it's dinner time. She never knows what time of day it is. Oh, look. New to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe.
Hey, let's talk more about me going to the track. I'm fat. I'm fat, y'all. I ran today. And I run when I play basketball, but I have a purpose. Like I want to put the ball. Come on, keep it that phone.
You the one that's bumping on everything.
I want to put the ball in the basket. Like going to the track and running is you know, like, I know it's the purpose because I want to lose weight and I want to look good for my baby.
I don't blame that on me. I don't care.
No, she cares. Cause when I was working out at first and I was going to the gym, she noticed my arms. See, and she knows
stuff, but she don't be trying to tell me. But hey, she will. It'll pay off in the long run. But I'm still fat, so I gotta find something to do for cardio tomorrow. Maybe if it's hot outside, I'll go play basketball. But that's after all the running around today.
You want to play basketball?
But we get in the vlog now.
If I have a schedule that I'm trying to go with because I'm the only one who really vlogs and edits and puts everything up. So the schedule is that we are going to we're going to daily vlog Tuesday through Friday. They're going to be daily vlogs, and then on Saturday and Sunday I'm going to just mosh everything together and put it up on Monday. So you would see, you know, what we did over the weekend on Monday. So that's how it's going to work, because that way I don't feel like I have to upload edit and upload and do everything every single day. So if you guys are like that new schedule, I put it on Instagram and people said that was a pretty good schedule. Let me know what you think about that new schedule. But yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Say goodnight, guys.
Good night, guys. McDonald's.
Say goodnight, Jerry. Good night, Jerry.
Bye-bye.